Hello and welcome to Technical Subham. Today we are going to learn how to program a code that is calendar in Python. For this we have to open our Python core editor, that is Virtual Studio Code. In this we have to create a new file from here, that is here. We have to name it, that is test2, then enter it. We have to rename it. We have forget one thing, that is test2.py, that is Python file. Then we have to code our program. So let's start. Firstly we have to write for our confirmation what we are doing. We are trying to write a program for making calendar enter it. After that we have to code, that is we have to import a module, that is import calendar calendar. After that we have to write our code, that is we have to define a variable, that is year, and we have to give int, means integer type values, input. Here we have to give a enter year, means which year you want to take from user. After that we have to define another variable, that is month. For this we have to copy that code and just paste it here. We have to change here enter month. After that we have to define print statement. So then we have to write display the calendar and we have to write print statement, which is the output, that is calendar dot month bracket over yy comma okay. This is our code. Let's check. Here it wants to need year, so let's try 2022. Sorry, we have to write here, that is 2022 month 8, enter it. This is a calendar of year 2022, month August. This is the current year. Today's date is 1 and today's day is Monday. I hope you will get it. Thank you.